Today is Friday, December 30th, 2022. We're doing Cabot. This is the view about 3.7 miles in on Bunnell Rock. So this is looking over at Stark, I think that one's Starking, and then Wambeck, and then the ridge will come along here somehow, and you get the Weeks in there and the terraces, which we have not done yet. It's supposed to rain today.
It's gonna.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna rain. But hopefully not until like 1 o'clock is when it goes up.
That's when we should be coming off.
We should be off by around then. Yep, we started around 8. We're about 2 hours in. There's just another, I don't know how far, like 4/10 maybe up steep to the cabin, and then it's 4/10, I think, from the cabin over to the summit. We're gonna do an out and back. 3 other cars in the parking lot when we were there. This is the inside of the Cabot cabin. It's got some bunks back here. And there's a privy around the corner, a little table for doing stuff, and a table to sit and eat. And there's like a little porch out front, and then down the hill a little bit there's a fire pit, I think. I don't know if they use it in the summer. Anyway, it's free to come stay up here. There's a logbook right there. We're just taking a little break, having a drink. And yeah, Cabot cabin. All right, we are at the summit, which is like right at the base of this tree. Sometimes there's a little cairn, and sometimes there isn't. It doesn't look like there's one. Hard to tell. I'm not sure what the snowpack is like. I think it's a little over a foot and a half. How deep is the snow, do you think? How deep do you think the snow is?
I don't know, probably 6 to 8 inches up here.
That's it?
I don't know, what do you think?
Well, I don't know, because I saw some post holes that were pretty deep off. Oh, it's not very hard. 10 inches?
10, 12.
Yeah, it's not very high up here. This is the split. We're gonna go out to the Horn. It's hard to read that now because it's so wet. So we're in a cloud. It's windy up here, but not horrible. And it's not raining.
What would you say the temperature is?
What would I say the temperature is? 30
Do you want
something? I don't
You
know.
want me to double check it?
Yeah, let's look. It was really, really warm at Bunnell. Oops, this is like,
Is it
it's snapped in. Hang on.
Oh,
Here.
I see. Gotcha.
Hold that for a second.
Okay.
Holy cow. What the heck is it? Oh,
There we go.
all right.
What does it
This is
read?
our Kestrel. It's a temperature and wind gauge. Here, I don't know how to
Okay. It's gonna turn
let's
it on.
see.
This is wind speed.
Yeah, we're kind of blocked from the wind right now.
Okay.
I think the temperature takes time to
This is
41. Yeah, but I don't.
41.
It's not really 41. It's dropping now.
I'll leave it out. We can check it again in a little while.
Yeah. I mean, it's over freezing for sure. But the breeze is making it feel a little cold on
It
my
said
hands.
41 was the forecast on NOAA.
Yeah. Yeah, but that
40 and 41.
it's dropping. Give it a second. Anyway, it's warm. The footbed is quite soft now. And we saw 4 hikers. 2 with snowshoes, 2 with bare boots. And the bare booters have really done a job. There's a post hole up on the top here. It was nasty up around the cabin. So, and down low was really soft. See, here's a post hole. Look at that thing. So that's more than 8 inches right here. This is a drift area, maybe.
Did you poke through?
Well, no, someone else did though, but in any case, there's enough snow to make a nice big post hole. But, I mean, I don't know if it matters that much. It's going to be super warm and raining for 2 days, so it's just if everything freezes up, those can be really treacherous. But we're wearing our snowshoes, trying to help the cause. And because it's a lot of work to post hole, so I don't understand. One of the bare booters had snowshoes with him, so I just don't understand that mentality in these conditions. But anyway, we are heading down now, and it should be pretty fast going heading down. So hopefully we will beat the rain. Well, we're about 7 miles in, and the sun is out. We got blue skies. Although there's still, I think, well, I don't know. I think the summit might still be socked in. So I'm not sure. I don't know what the NOAA forecast was thinking, but we had no rain. It did look very bad though. So, but it was supposed to go up later in the day. So I don't know what happened, but it's nice. I'm wearing a t-shirt right now on the descent, so that tells you how warm it is. I think the summit never got below 37 degrees with our Kestrel. And once you're out of the cloud, it was quite warm. There's some cool fungus right here on this tree. Right on that tree. Okay, so we passed a huge group of people, like a buddy hike that had no spikes. And then we passed another huge group of people, which might have been part of the same group, that had, sorry, first group had spikes, second group had snowshoes. And then we've had a bunch of random people coming up now that are kind of split. So hike your own hike, whatever. The trail is in good shape now. And I think once those snowshoers, if they stay behind all those bare booters, then it'll be in good shape when the rain comes. So